Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your freelancer app. So all you have to do, so you just go down clicking this sign down here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to next step here. So then you click here on settings. When you click here on settings, so just click on it and it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on email notifications. When you click here on email notifications, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, you just go down here. So you keep going down, then you come here to just emails for your posted projects. So then here can you disable this sign here. So click on this color, like we see color it's gone, that's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.